LegalZoom, while primarily known for its legal document services, also offers online banking solutions. Circumstances may arise where you need to terminate these banking services. This process, while relatively straightforward, requires attention to detail to ensure a clean and complete cancellation. Walking explanation. Access your LegalZoom account. Begin by logging into your LegalZoom account via their website. Use the credentials associated with your online banking services. Locate the Banking Services section. Navigate to the section of your account that pertains to banking or financial services. This may be labeled banking, financial, or something similar. Identify the cancellation option. Within the Banking Services section, look for an option related to account closure or cancellation. This might be found in Account Settings, Help Resources, or a Contact section. Review cancellation terms and conditions. Carefully read any terms and conditions associated with canceling your online banking. Pay close attention to potential fees, required actions, e.g., withdrawing remaining funds, and the processing time frame. Initiate the cancellation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the cancellation. This may involve confirming your decision, providing a reason for cancellation, or submitting a formal request. Withdraw remaining funds. Ensure that you withdraw all remaining funds from your LegalZoom online banking account before finalizing the cancellation. Leaving a small balance may delay or complicate the process. Confirm cancellation. After completing the necessary steps, obtain a confirmation of your cancellation. This may be an email, a confirmation number, or a message within your account. Retain this confirmation for your records. Monitor account closure. After the cancellation process is started, monitor your bank account to confirm the closure of the account. Also monitor your email account for any correspondence from LegalZoom. Tip: document everything. Maintain thorough records of all communication with LegalZoom regarding your cancellation. This includes emails, confirmation numbers, and dates of actions taken. In the event of any discrepancies, having this documentation will prove invaluable.